This video will provide a detailed guide on how to downgrade from iOS 26 to iOS 18. Part 1. Is it possible to downgrade iOS 26 to iOS 18? You can downgrade from iOS 26 to iOS 18 if Apple is still signing iOS 18 for your device. Apple typically stops signing older versions soon after a new release, so check the signing status online first. If Apple has stopped signing iOS 18, you won't be able to downgrade, so ensure it is still available before proceeding. Part 2. What to do before downgrading from iOS 26 to iOS 18. Before downgrading to iOS 26, back up your data, disable Find My iPhone, ensure your device is charged, and have a stable internet connection. Part 3. How to downgrade from iOS 26 to iOS 18. If you've backed up your device, follow the methods below to downgrade to iOS 18 or another iOS version. 3.1. How to go back to iOS 18 from iOS 26 without data loss. If you want to downgrade iOS without losing data, iOS System Recovery is the best choice. Step 1. Download and install the program on your computer, then open it by following the on-screen instructions. On the main interface, select the iOS System Recovery option. Connect your iPhone to the computer via USB and tap Trust if prompted. Step 2. A pop-up will display various issues the tool can address. Click the Start button to proceed. Step 3. Choose either Standard Mode or Advanced Mode. The tool will detect basic information about your iPhone. Tap Confirm to continue. Step 4. Finally, click the Repair button to start downloading the firmware package and fixing your iOS device. 3.2. How to revert back to iOS 18 from iOS 26 with iTunes or Finder. You can use iTunes or Finder for Macos Catalina and later to downgrade from iOS 26 to iOS 18, but make sure to back up your data first to avoid loss. Step 1. Visit the IPSA website IPSA.me, select your iPhone or iPad model, and download the signed iOS 18 IPSA file indicated by a green checkmark. Save it to a location you can easily access to remove the iOS 26. Step 2. Navigate to Settings, your name, Find My iPhone, and disable this setting. Step 3. Connect your iPhone to the computer and follow these steps to put your iPhone into recovery mode. iPhone 8 or later, quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, and hold the power button until the recovery mode screen appears. iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down plus power buttons until the recovery mode screen shows up. iPhone 6 seconds or earlier, press and hold the home plus sleep wake buttons until the recovery mode screen appears. Step 4. iTunes or Finder will detect your device in recovery mode and prompt you to restore or update. Hold down the Option key Mac or Shift key Windows, then click Restore iPhone. Step 5. Browse and select the IPSA file you downloaded in Step 1. Once confirmed, start installing the firmware via iTunes and wait for the downgrade from iOS 26 to iOS 18 to complete. After the downgrade is finished, your iPhone will return to iOS 18. If you have a backup, you can restore your data directly after downgrading. If you don't have a backup, you'll need to set up your device as new. 3.3. How to downgrade iOS 26 to iOS 18 using Beta Profiles website. If you have trouble downloading the IPSA file from ipsw.me, try using Beta Profiles instead. This method works only if your iPhone is running iOS 16.4 or later. Step 1. Visit the official Beta Profiles site and download the iOS firmware you wish to revert to, such as iOS 18. Step 2. Open iTunes or Finder on your computer, connect your device via USB, and click Backup Now to create a backup. Step 3. Locate and open the info.plis file, then change the version number to the iOS version you just downloaded, such as 18.4.1, and save the file. Step 4. In iTunes or Finder, hold Option Mac or Shift Windows and click the Restore iPhone button. Step 5. Select the IPSA file you downloaded and wait for the downgrade process to complete, which may take a few minutes. Once prompted, restore your backup, and you're done. You've successfully downgraded your iPhone. 3.4. How to downgrade from iOS 26 to iOS 18 without a computer. You can't downgrade from iOS 26 to iOS 18 without iTunes or a computer. Removing the iOS 26 beta profile only stops future beta updates, but keeps your current iOS 26 firmware. Step 1. Open Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Go to General VPN and Device Management or Device Management. Step 3. Tap iOS Beta Software Configuration Profile, then select Remove iOS 26 Beta Profile. Step 4. Restart your device to remove the iOS 26 beta.